Today, we're going to learn how to grow zucchini in a pot successfully. Zucchini is a versatile and flavorful vegetable that can be grown both in the ground and in pots. If you're looking to grow zucchini in pots, here are the steps you need to follow. 1. Choose the right pot. Select a pot that is at least 12 to 18 inches deep and has a good drainage system. You can use either a plastic, ceramic, or clay pot. 2. Prepare the soil. Before planting, it's important to prepare the soil. Loosen the soil around the roots of your zucchini plant with a garden fork or a trowel. Add some organic compost or well-rotted manure to the soil, making sure to keep the root ball well draining. 3. Plant the zucchini. Space the seeds about 4 to 6 inches apart in the pot. Plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep. You can use a seedling plug or a small pot to aid in sprouting. 4. Water and fertilizer. Water the seeds regularly, keeping the soil evenly moist but not soggy. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer every 10 to 15 days after planting to support growth. 5. Sunlight and airflow. The zucchini thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Place your pot in a spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. 6. Harvesting. Zucchini can be harvested after about 75 to 80 days from planting. Look for zucchini that are yellow and flat to the touch. They should be firm and not soft. You can either trim the ends and slice them into long, flat pieces or leave the entire zucchini plant intact and harvest the entire head. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to grow zucchini in pots with ease and enjoy fresh, homegrown zucchini from your own garden. Happy gardening! How to grow zucchini in a pot successfully.